Hi, this is Chris from Tuck Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Hyundai Elantra SE, stock reference number 5298. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2011 through to the 11th month 2015. It has a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left boot lid garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Boot lid appears to have no damage, right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heating controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Tuck Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.